saw a lot of changes. I saw people at Mount Holyoke who were coming in who were marginal as I had been at Radcliffe, because there were black women coming for the first time in well, they weren't coming for the first time. Mount Holyoke's first black graduate was in 1898, but in numbers. And I saw a fit that wasn't completely comfortable for them. And by the time I left, that wasn't true any longer. But I had thought, oh, well, you know, these are black women coming to a culture they're not familiar with. I know all about that. I was a Jew, you know, in a Christian culture. It was nothing like that. And to them, I was not someone they related to because of that. So that was kind of intriguing for me. And Mount Holyoke was a very nurturing place. It is a very nurturing place. And I grew very fond of it. But I remember I became very good friends with people in the administration and in the faculty. And the secretary of the college, who was a Mount Holyoke alum, they were all Mount Holyoke alums, said, you know, Elaine, you fit in so well here, it's a shame you didn't come here. And I said, I wouldn't have fit in here. I wouldn't have liked it. And she said to me, I don't believe that. And I said, no, I wouldn't have liked it. She said, what wouldn't you have liked? And I said, I wouldn't have liked being so well known in the small campus. I wanted to be anonymous. And boy, at Harvard, you were anonymous.